Hello viewers! Welcome back to our channel. Coffee is one of the most popular beverages in the world, enjoyed by millions of people every day for its rich flavor and invigorating effects. Beyond its stimulating properties, coffee has been the subject of numerous scientific studies revealing its potential health benefits. From enhancing cognitive function to reducing the risk of certain diseases, coffee can be more than just a morning ritual. In this video, we'll explore the top 10 health benefits of drinking coffee. Number 1. Boosts cognitive function and alertness. One of the most well-known benefits of coffee is its ability to improve cognitive function and increase alertness. This is primarily due to caffeine, a natural stimulant found in coffee. Caffeine blocks adenosine, a neurotransmitter that promotes sleep, leading to increased levels of other neurotransmitters like dopamine and norepinephrine, which enhance mood, reaction time, memory, and overall cognitive function. Regular coffee consumption has been associated with a lower risk of cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. For many, a cup of coffee in the morning can kickstart the day and help maintain mental sharpness throughout. Number 2. Enhances physical performance. Caffeine is also known to improve physical performance, making coffee a popular choice among athletes and fitness enthusiasts. Caffeine increases adrenaline levels in the blood, which prepares the body for intense physical exertion. It also stimulates the nervous system to break down body fat, making free fatty acids available as fuel. Research has shown that caffeine can improve endurance, strength, and overall physical performance. Having a cup of coffee before a workout can help you push harder and achieve better results in your exercise routine. Number 3. Supports heart health. While there has been some debate about coffee's impact on heart health, recent studies suggest that moderate coffee consumption can have protective effects on the cardiovascular system. Coffee contains antioxidants, such as chlorogenic acid, which can help reduce inflammation and protect against oxidative stress, both of which are linked to heart disease. Several studies have found that people who drink coffee regularly have a lower risk of heart disease and stroke. However, it's essential to consume coffee in moderation, as excessive caffeine intake can increase heart rate and blood pressure in some individuals. Number 4. Lowers the risk of type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is a significant health concern worldwide, characterized by elevated blood sugar levels due to insulin resistance. Coffee has been shown to have protective effects against type 2 diabetes. Studies suggest that regular coffee drinkers have a lower risk of developing this condition. The bioactive compounds in coffee, such as chlorogenic acid, have been found to improve insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar levels. Drinking coffee daily, in moderation, can be part of a preventive strategy against type 2 diabetes, especially when combined with a healthy diet and active lifestyle. Number 5. Contains essential nutrients. Coffee is more than just a caffeine boost. It also contains several essential nutrients. A single cup of coffee provides small amounts of vitamins and minerals, including riboflavin, vitamin B2, niacin, vitamin B3, magnesium, potassium, and manganese. These nutrients play vital roles in various bodily functions, from energy production to maintaining healthy skin and bones. While coffee alone won't fulfill your daily nutritional needs, it can contribute to your overall intake of these important nutrients, especially if you enjoy it regularly as part of a balanced diet. Number 6. Reduces the risk of certain cancers. Cancer is a major global health concern, and while no single food or drink can prevent cancer, certain dietary choices may help reduce the risk. Coffee has been linked to a lower risk of several types of cancer, including liver, colorectal, and endometrial cancers. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds in coffee may help protect cells from damage and reduce inflammation, both of which are key factors in cancer development. Regular coffee consumption has been associated with a lower risk of liver and colorectal cancers, two of the most common types of cancer worldwide. Number 7. Protects liver health. The liver is a vital organ responsible for detoxifying the body, producing bile, and regulating various metabolic processes. Coffee has been shown to have protective effects on liver health, particularly in reducing the risk of liver diseases such as cirrhosis and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. Several studies have found that coffee drinkers have a lower risk of liver cirrhosis, including alcoholic cirrhosis. Coffee may also help lower liver enzyme levels, which are indicators of liver damage. Drinking coffee regularly can be a part of maintaining liver health and preventing liver-related diseases. Number 8. Promotes longevity. Given its various health benefits, it's not surprising that coffee has been linked to increased longevity. Several large-scale studies have found that coffee drinkers tend to live longer than those who don't drink coffee. This association may be due to coffee's ability to reduce the risk of several chronic diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. While drinking coffee alone won't guarantee a longer life, it can be part of a healthy lifestyle that promotes longevity. Combined with a balanced diet, regular physical activity, and other healthy habits, coffee can contribute to a longer, healthier life. Number 9. Supports mental health. Coffee has been shown to have positive effects on mental health, particularly in reducing the risk of depression and improving mood. Caffeine stimulates the central nervous system and increases the production of neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin, which are known to boost mood and create feelings of well-being. Some studies suggest that coffee drinkers have a lower risk of depression and may be less likely to experience suicidal thoughts. While coffee is not a substitute for professional mental health care, it can be a helpful addition to other strategies for managing mood and promoting mental well-being. Number 10. Provides a source of antioxidants. Coffee is one of the richest sources of antioxidants in the average diet, surpassing even fruits and vegetables in some cases. Antioxidants are compounds that help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and protecting against cellular damage. The antioxidants in coffee, such as chlorogenic acid and polyphenols, have been linked to a lower risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Drinking coffee regularly can provide a significant source of antioxidants, contributing to overall health and well-being. Coffee is more than just a morning pick-me-up. It's a beverage packed with potential health benefits. From boosting cognitive function and physical performance to protecting against chronic diseases and promoting longevity, coffee can play a valuable role in a healthy lifestyle. However, it's important to enjoy coffee in moderation, as excessive consumption can lead to negative side effects like anxiety, insomnia, and digestive issues. For most people, drinking coffee as part of a balanced diet can offer numerous health benefits and enhance overall well-being. Whether you enjoy it black, with milk, or as part of your favorite specialty drink, coffee can be a delightful and healthful addition to your daily routine. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and share this video.